Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we'll be looking after some major facts about Apple company. In the current year, it had reached 2 trillion US dollars of market capitalization. Apple is described to be a remarkably strong brand and also transformed as a luxurious brand among the people. So guys, let's quickly jump into this video. The company was founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. So when we talk about the history, Apple had reached its first US $1 trillion in August 2018, but it almost took 40 years to reach that height. Now, in a minimum of 2 years, it had doubled its value to 2 trillion US dollars of market capitalization. On Wednesday, 19th August, Apple becomes the first publicly traded US company to hit a US $2 trillion of a market capitalization. Even though the COVID-19 pandemic has battered many companies, the stocks of Apple have risen more than 120% in the past year. Here, I have just shown you the figures of US $2 trillion in Indian value. I have listed out some of the Apple products which are currently available in the market: desktop, laptops, iPhone, iPad, iPod, and softwares. So guys, the most incredible thing about the Apple company is the company's value is more than the GDP of countries including Brazil, Australia, South Korea, Canada, Russia, Mexico, and Spain. So these countries have a GDP of over US $1 trillion each. Followed by Apple, we have Microsoft and Amazon in the race of achieving US $2 trillion of market capitalization. Currently, their market value is 1.6 US trillion dollars each. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Kindly do subscribe and support our channel. See you all in the next video. Thank you.